numerical technique laboratory, we got to work on pattern recognition. Pattern recognition has a very large arena. We only worked on a small branch of it. We worked on alphabet recognition. We have developed a program that can identify 7 different alphabets. They are capital U, capital W, small b, small d, pi, capital X, plus. For developing the program, we haven't used any general algorithms. We have used a function, a library function, convol, in MATLAB, which gives us the terminal points of the biggest polygon that can be drawn by the given coordinates. As we proceed, we have determined the smallest angle between the terminal points that we have got using convol. If the smallest angle is less than 65 degrees, that program enters into the part where we decide it's B or D. For differentiating B and D, we have used the value of X average and Y average. Then, for capital U, we have assumed that at the endpoints of capital U, the terminal points create an angle that is slightly greater than 90 degrees. Based on this assumption, as we move forward in the program, we have tried to decide which points lie on the same lines. Thus, following this method, we could identify the two lines along with its curvaceous part. Then, for capital W, capital X, plus and pi, we have decided that there must be 4 terminal points given by convol for these alphabets. If the given terminal points along with all the other coordinates create 2 lines only which intersect, then it is the capital X or plus sign. We differentiate between capital X and plus by the intersecting angle. If the angle is close to 90 degrees, then it is plus sign, otherwise it is capital X. Then, for differentiating between pi and capital W, we have measured the distance from the intersection point of the two lines created by the 4 terminal points and all the other points, and measured its proportion with the X average and Y average of the terminal points. Mainly, all through the program, we have tried to work with the angles between all the points. We believe that this program can be enhanced and more alphabets can be identified. Thanks for your valuable time and thanks for watching.